Hi, I am Mohammed Fakrudeen. I am a PhD student from Anglo Ruskin University, Chelmsford, United Kingdom. I also worked as a lecturer in University of Hail, Saudi Arabia. The title of our presentation is Feasibility of Online Video Lectures for Blind Users for Academic Purposes Using Touchscreen Mobile. The main aim is to find out what is the opinion of the blind students for the online video lecturers for the academic purposes. Now we will see what is the agenda of our presentation. The first agenda is the aim and scope of our research. Then we will see what is the research question which we put forward. Then we will see what is the methodology we followed for our research. Then we will see about some screen snapshot of our prototype design. Then we will discuss about the research, and then we will finally see the conclusions which we draw from our result. Now we will see what is the aim and scope of our research. The first aim is to understand what the blind student perceptions about the online videos in comparison with traditional learning such as Braille. The second aim is to understand about the usability features of the touchscreen mobile which we incorporated in the using Android apps. First question which we put forward is, the first research question is, how do blind student perceives, that is thinks about the video lectures using a touchscreen mobile device? And the second research question which put forward is, how do blind student perceive the usability of YouTube lectures using the touchscreen mobiles? The first questions deal with general aspect, and the second questions deals specifically with the usability features. In order to answer the first research questions, that is how to blind student perceives video lectures on a touchscreen mobile, we propose six propositions. First propositions deal with the frequency of listening the online videos in comparing with the Braille course materials. Second proposition deals with the durations of listening the online videos in comparison with Braille course materials. And the third proposition is speed of reading the online videos in comparison with the Braille course materials. Fourth proposition is to find out what is the understanding of the course material when they are using the online lectures in comparison with the Braille study materials. The fifth proposition is regarding whether they want to replace the Braille course materials with the online video lectures. The sixth proposition is to find out whether the blind students is having any distractions when they are using the online video lecturers. Research methodology. For our research, we recruited around 10 blind participants because we know that getting the blind students is very difficult, so we got only 10 blind students, and then we will find their average age is around 15 years. We developed our prototype in Android app and the ice cream sandwich editions, and we also tested our prototype with Samsung Galaxy S2, which is a touchscreen based smartphone. In order to collect the data, we use the questionnaires which have Likert scale type questions, and when we want to test a prototype, we follow two tests. One is sample test and another is the original test. Sample test is actually used to find out the comfortability of the blind students. Once they are comfortable with the prototype, then we go for the original test. In the original test, we will give the lesson number. For example, we have a lesson from lesson 1 to lesson 12, and based on the, suppose if you are giving a lesson 5, they have to go to the lesson 5, they have to navigate to the different lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, lesson 5. Once they reach the lesson 5, they have to click the button and it will go to the YouTube videos. Prototype design. You can see the snapshot of our prototype, and we have two pictures. In the first pictures, we can see we have a lot of lessons range from lesson 1 to lesson 14, and the blind student has to choose any one of the lessons. When they go to the particular lesson, it will go to the it will connect to the YouTube video lectures. You can see in the picture 2. Since the students cannot locate the button, we use the control button which you can see at the bottom of the page. Suppose if they want to go to the lesson 5, they have to press the control button 5 times. So once they press the 5 times, it will go to the lesson 5. Once they reach the lesson 5, they have to press a long click. So once the long click event is get fired, they will go to the concerning page which you can see at the second pictures, and you can see the YouTube videos will be connected to the internet, and YouTube videos will be automatically it will be played. See about what is the result we obtained through our studies. The first proposition is the frequency of using the online videos for the course materials. That is, how often they are using in the online videos in comparison with the Braille materials. 40% are very much prefers and they are using the online videos compared to the Braille course materials, but 30% they are not much using the online videos in comparing with the Braille materials, and 30% of the students are not at all using these online videos and they are preferring only the brain course materials. For the second propositions, we ask about how much time the blind students are spending for the course online videos. 60% of the blind students are spending more time on online videos because it is easy to learn. However, 10% of the blind students, they feel very difficult to listen to the online videos and they are spending less time in the online lecturers. But 30% of the blind students, they feel there is no much difference for them in spending the time with the online videos or Braille course material. Third propositions, we ask about the speed of reading. Almost 70% of the blind students feel that the speed of readings is very much fast in the online videos, so they took very less time for the reading when they are using online videos. But 10% feel that both Braille method and online videos are same, and 20% of feel that the speed of reading in the online videos is much longer than the Braille material. Then we ask about the understanding of the course materials in online videos in comparison with the Braille materials. 60% of the blind students responds positively for the online videos. However, 20% feels that they didn't understand much in the online videos as compared to the Braille course materials. But 20% of the blind students feel both in understanding both the course Braille materials and the online play the same role. Proposition 5, we ask the blind students about their class participations. 60% of the blind students told that they want to participate in the class although they are using the online videos, and 20% feel they want to participate more although they are using the online videos, but only 20% feel that they will not attend the class when they use the online videos. For proposition 6, we asked the blind student whether they are distracted when they are using the online videos. 50% of the blind students feels they are not much less distracted when they are using the online videos, but 30% of the blind students feel they are more distracted when they are using the online videos, and 20% of the blind students feel they are not much distracted, that is they are not at all distracted when they are using the online videos. Research question 2, we asked the blind students about the usability features which we incorporated in our prototype. The usability features such as easy to navigate, felt in control, easy to learn, easy to use, whereas in the question, by using the questionnaire using the Likert scale, it is graded from 1 to 5, and the 1 stand for strongly disagree and the 5 the maximum point which stand for strongly agree. And if you see most of the usability features, they graded to 5 points, that is mostly they are agreed with our usability features. Conclusion, the blind student feels that the touchscreen based mobile apps really enhance their way of learning, because The duration of listening is very much less, and they can read it very fastly, they can understand the meaning of the course materials, and they are also not much distracted when they are learning the online videos. And they can take the mobile device wherever they want to go, but we cannot do it with the braille course materials. So they feel the touchscreen app is the best alternative when compared to the braille course material. Regarding the usability of the coursework in the touchscreen mobiles, they are very much interested, they are very much satisfied our usability features. They feel that it is easy to use and easy to navigate, and they are able to control the apps. And due to the portability of the mobile devices, they are very much convenient for learning anywhere. They are contributed positively to the academic use. The end of our sessions. If you have any queries, please email me at arfakru@gmail.com. Thank you for your patience hearing. Thank you very much.